Hey guys, so you might be wondering how much it costs to file your LLC in 2026. And technically it is completely free to file, but depending on the state you live in, there are some state filing fees. So it just varies from state to state. And when you're filing your LLC, there definitely are some other things you can add in to make things easier for yourself. And they can cost a little bit extra as well. So it just depends what you want to add onto your business, what you need, what you don't need. And how quickly you want to get everything done. So in this video today, I'm going to show you how to file your LLC. I'm going to show you what you have to pay for, what is free, and what you can pay for if you want something additional. So click the link in the description below. I'm going to walk you through the Taylor Brands website, which is what I personally like to use. It is the simplest and most straightforward website to use so that you can see all of the fees that are optional and what you want to use it for. And after this video, you're going to have your LLC filed. So even if you're just starting and maybe you're not ready to file your LLC, I definitely recommend checking out the website and following along. You don't have to submit anything until the very end. So yeah, you can check it out, see if it's for you. And let's get started. Again, click the link in the description and let's go. Okay, so we're going to start by clicking a state. I'm just going to click Florida because that's where I am, but you click the state that you live in. And like I said, every state is a little different. So whatever it says for Florida, the state fee, it might be different for you if you're in a different state. Okay, start by naming your business. You can change this later on if you want. And the industry you fall into, find something that is the closest. Now, the next few questions are more or less survey questions. So just click what best applies. Do you have experience with the business? Do you have other owners in your LLC? This can be changed later as well. And you found Taylor Brands through YouTube. Okay, this is just an ad for the site, so let's hit next. And now you're going to type in your personal information. You guys, you're not going to get bombarded with emails or phone calls from this. This is just like, since you've started out your kind of more or less profile on here, it'll save your information. So you could type in your info. All right, and now we are on section 2 of 3. Again, this is a promotion for another service that they offer on this website. We can hit next. Now, Taylor Brands offers to create your EIN number for you, which is something you will need if you open a business credit card or a business bank account. The charge is $99 to have them do it for you. And if you choose to do it on the IRS website, it is free. So depending on what your budget looks like, I would rather avoid any government websites when possible. I find them kind of confusing, not user-friendly. So that's just me. It's totally up to you what you want to do and how much you want to spend. If you don't want to spend any money, click this option here and you can get it at the IRS website. Are you sure? We're just going to hit yes. And every single year you need to renew your LLC. This is every state that any state that you live in, you will need to renew your LLC. So if you'd like Taylor Brands to do that for you, it is $250 a year. They will keep your business renewed. It is a little bit of extra work on your part if you want to do it yourself, but again, that is free technically, but there always is a renewal fee as well. So it's not completely free to renew it regardless of using Taylor Brands or on your own. So it's just up to you. I'll handle the compliance. And you guys, at the end of this, I'm going to show you the breakdown of prices and you can select and deselect other things. So you'll really get to see that, you can either spend as much money or as little money as you want. Okay, branding toolkit, let's hit no. And if you want to get your LLC faster, you can click this option. It is an additional charge, or you can get it in 2 weeks for free. An operating agreement is basically like if you have a partner, this is great to have because it kind of breaks down everything that's involved and who has what responsibilities and ownership in the business. So It's really good to have, especially if maybe you or a partner wants to leave the business in the future. You guys will have that, so there's no issues. Let's click I'll figure it out. And if you'd like this formation kit, it breaks down everything that you would need, such as documents for keeping records, anything like that. We'll click no. And again, you guys, any of this stuff, I'm going to show you at the end how much it does cost if you did want to opt in for those. Let's get notified about our LLC. And you guys, we're on section 3. So let me show you now why, how you're getting this for free, what charge you do have to pay, and everything else related. So let's start by clicking see other options. Now, Taylor Brands is offering you the light plan, which is completely free. So like I said, there's no money involved in filing your LLC, which is awesome. If you do want some other services from Taylor Brands, such as having a website created, just look at their website. They make really nice professional websites. Maybe you want help with bookkeeping. There's 100 million things they offer here. Feel free to check them out. So, these other plans, $200 a year or $250 a year, really comes down to around $20 a month or so. It's really not that much. But again, we are going to click this light plan here so that your LLC is free. Now, the Florida state filing fees are $100. And if you check down here, it is paid to the Secretary of State. So this is not directly filing your LLC. This is the Secretary of State and what their filing fee is for it. And like I said, every state is a little bit different. So basically, the people working there, that's just a service fee that they have. Okay, again, here's the option. If you want Taylor Brands to renew your LLC, if you think you might forget, listen, there's a lot going on. Maybe your business is really busy. If you think you're going to forget, opt in for this. 1 day filing fee. If you want to get it, let's get going, select this. It's $99 extra. Totally up to you. Same thing with your operating agreement. And this is a free trial for assistance with invoicing and bookkeeping. I'm going to deselect it so I don't forget about it later. But you get a month for free, and then after that, it's $39 a month. To get your EIN, you can select this on or off. And same with the LLC formation kit. Okay, so you guys, your grand total for today is whatever your state filing fee is. Unfortunately, this is just what it is as far as that extra charge, but your LLC itself is completely for free. And some of these other services maybe can help you out. Super easy, you just pay with a credit card. So if you guys have any questions about the other services that they do offer, feel free to leave it in the comments below, or you can go through the Taylor Brands website. Like I said, it's very user-friendly. You can go through and see what else they have. They have a ton of stuff on there to kind of help you through the whole process and with other business-related tools. All right, so I hope you liked this video. I hope this kind of made things make a little bit more sense for you. If you have questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll see you guys next time.